everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool IKEA Hack rug. So I believe this rug was only about $3 from IKEA, and so I used a little bit of paint and blue tape that I already had at home to kind of spice it up and make it more of a more interesting piece. So follow along if you're interested in learning how to make this awesome rug. What you'll need for this project are some paintbrushes, depending on how many colors you want. This is the rug that I used from IKEA. It's just a normal fringed rug with a blank template. You'll need some paint colors. I use the acrylic paint, and then a tape measure and blue tape to mark off the edges. You'll also need a pencil to kind of mark the center points of each section. So that's what you're seeing that I'm doing right here. So there's 3 natural kind of ridges in the rug going vertically. And so I'm using those to kind of create the 4 sections of my rug. And then I'm finding the center point and using that to kind of be the point of that triangle. The next step is to mark off all the points with blue tape, and this is going to kind of create that stencil so you get really crisp lines when you're painting. So just do that in all 4 sections. You can make whatever shapes that you wanted to make. I decided to just do these cool triangle patterns. You're going to paint inside the areas. So I ended up using a decent amount of paint for this, but you're going to want to get really full coverage and kind of get into all of the portions in the rug so there's not any white specks around, and make sure you get really up close to the line of the tape. So when you pull off the tape, you get a really clean line, which is what you see here. It's super satisfying. So just repeat this process in all 4 sections and pull up the tape, and you will reveal the amazing pattern that you just created. This was my first time painting on any rug, and it's, an easy way to kind of test out painting on rugs on this $3 IKEA rug before you kind of move into a bigger rug or bigger project, just so you can kind of get the hang of it. This color actually doesn't really completely go with my living room, so since then I've bought in a ton of more new paint shades, and you can even buy cool stencils from Michael's or online and do more intricate patterns as well. Expect to see more videos or blog posts about some of the new painted rugs that I want to try. And voila, this is the finished product. Thanks everyone for watching the video. If you're more interested in more videos like this, don't forget to hit subscribe and check the information down below for my social media just to keep updated on some other projects that I'm working on. Until next time.